So dhawow, waa Macalin Abzi, kulan wanaagsan. Hi, I am teacher Abzi. Nice to meet you. And today we are going to talk about the future tense in Somali language. Diyaar ma tahay? Are you ready? I'm Bilono. Then let's begin. So let's start with the pronouns in Somali language. The first one is aniga. Aniga means I. And the second one is adiga. Adiga means you. The third pronoun in Somali is idinka. Idinka means you plural. Many people in front of you. So you say idinka. Sometimes you may hear adinka. It's just the same. The next one is anaga. Anaga means we in Somali. And the next one is iyaga. Iyaga means they. And the next one is asiga. Asiga means he. And the last pronoun in Somali is iyada. Iyada means she.